Now it's 8 p.m. and my student not come yet, so I am waiting here for a while. Hi, Aiman.
Hello.
Okay, can you hear my voice?
Yes, I can hear your voice.
Okay, Aiman. I heard that you just finished your last course. So are you ready for the math course now?
Yes.
Okay. Firstly, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good evening, Aiman. How's
Good
life?
evening. Good.
Okay. First thing first, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Miss Kia. You can call me Miss Kia, okay?
Okay.
Your math tutor here. So, before we start our material, it'd be better if we pray first. So, let's pray now together. Amin. Okay, Aiman, I want to ask you first before we start our lesson today. Um, uh, can you what I can see your face? Nah. Okay. Okay. So I want to ask you first. Why you want to join this course? Is that about because your mom or because of you yourself?
Because of both.
Because of
Um, my mom.
because of your mom. So what is your favorite subject in school, Aiman?
Um, English.
English. Oh, so math is not your favorite subject?
Not really.
Not really. Why? What is that?
Um, sometimes it is my favorite subject, but sometimes when it is very hard and I don't know how to do it. I
Oh, you
don't
don't
really
like.
like it.
Okay, okay, okay. I want to ask you, what will you want to be? What do you want to
I
be in the future?
I want to be an engineer or a doctor.
Oh, engineer or doctor. So you have to expert in math.
Yeah,
Because I think to be a doctor or engineer, math is the what is that? The really you have to really real expert in math because you need math so much. Okay?
yeah, okay,
So whether you like or not, you have to expert in math.
yeah,
Okay. So are you
okay.
ready to start our lesson about math now?
I'm ready.
Okay. Anyway, your mom said that you want to join the OSN mathematics. Is that
Yeah.
what is that?
OSN is a competition Olympiad. Science.
Oh yeah. When the OSN will be held?
Um, June.
In June. Okay. So, have you take like what is that like the OSN course in school with your teacher maybe?
Yes, I did practices in school. So every time before we go home, um, there will always be an OSN practice.
Oh, is that every day you join that
Oh no, it's only for Tuesday.
on Tuesday? Okay, so our course now is about preparing OSN two because your mom want to ask me like that. Okay, so but I think I will start in the next week. So today I just want to know how far your skill in math, and I saw in your diagnostic result you need to improve about number. Is it true?
Yes.
Yeah, I think we just check it first. Oh, I want to ask, uh, have you expert about multiply and division? What is the result?
Um,
Uh, 5 times 3 is
to 15.
15, and then Seven, seven times eight.
Aku I haven't uh, uh, hafal. I haven't. What is it?
You what remember? You
Yeah,
haven't.
I haven't remembered the whole multiplication table.
Ah, okay. So I think if you want to join the OSN or if you want to expert the math in the junior high school, you need to remember the multiplication from 1 until 10. Just that. From 1 until 10, and then you also have to expert about the what is that? The quadrat. What is quadrat?
What is it?
You know?
Uh,
I
Square
forget.
root atau
Yeah,
what?
the
Oh,
square root. Like
yeah.
2 times 2 and 3 times 3 until 20.
Ya
1
itu
until
aku
20.
that the square root I'm still learning about it. I'm currently lagi still trying to hafal it.
Yeah, you need to understand about that because that's really needed in the math in junior high school actually. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So, next week, you have to remember the multiplication 1 until 10, like 7 times 8 or 7 times 9, 9 times 8. You just remember it every day, and then next lesson with me, you need to show me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So still every day every lesson I have to show what I've already remembered.
Yeah, because I think you have to remember the multiplication from 1 until 5, right? Like
Yes.
4 times 5 or 3 times 5, 4 times 4. Yeah? Is that true?
Yes.
Yeah, so you just remember from 6 until 10. Is it right?
Yes.
Okay. So next week you have to show me. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so we have to start our meeting now. I want to share screen first, yeah. Wait. Have you saw my screen?
Yes, I see the screen.
Okay. Wait. Okay, Aiman. Anyway, do you have like pen or something else to write in the screen?
Can you repeat, please?
Do you have a pen or something else that that you can you can annotate or you can write in the screen?
Oh, I'm using a laptop, so I don't have
Oh,
any.
oh, you just have laptop. So can you write in the screen with laptop?
Uh, yes, I can.
Okay. So let's start about negative number here. Okay. So we do some warm up first, yeah. What is 15 minus 20? So you can write.
Oh,
I think you need to use the pen. Yeah. Are you sure the result is 5?
I'm in -5.
Okay. Why the result is negative 5?
Search that.
Why why not 5? Why negative 5? So why last time you write 5?
Because I read it backwards, and I read 20 first, but not 15.
Okay.
And yes,
So and then this how about this? place this on line. Minus 3, 2, and 0.
0.
Eh, just don't read like this.
Wait, kalau itu
Are you sure the 0 is that? You you just you
oh,
can
I follow the
see.
ini.
You follow the point.
Oh, okay, okay. So it's just like this then.
So where's the point?
The point.
Yeah, you have to put the point in the number line, in the line number. Where's that? For example, minus 3 here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, perfect. Wait, I want to clear first. And then, how about this? Which is colder? Minus 10 or minus 5? Okay. After that, how about this? Are you sure the result is that?
Um, you owe $5, but uh,
You owe $5 and spend 3 more. And then you owe again $3. What
oh
is
yeah,
your balance? 8. Are you sure 8 the result?
yes,
So if you owe five
yeah.
dollars, so you don't have so you don't have the money right in your wallet. So how do you write that? How will you write that if you don't have the money and then you owe $5 and you owe again $3? What do you use? Yeah, minus. Yeah, you can use minus. Okay, if you owe something. Okay, so in this line, or if we see about the vertical direction, you can see that the negative numbers is just of opposite direction. So you can see that the positive numbers is to up and negative number just go down. Get it?
Yeah.
Okay. So again, what is the result? Okay, I think you have expert about this. So why in the analysis your result is not really good about this?
Sometimes aku kalau mikir itu but when I think I really think for a long time for the story questions.
So you need to improve your skill about the story question, right?
Yes.
After this, there is a lot of story question. Okay, perfect. The next.
Um, mhm.
The result is 4? Are you sure the result is 4?
Oh, no, no.
Hmm. Are you sure the result is minus 30? Okay, think again. Think again about this.
Yeah. Because this equals to minus,
Yeah.
so when
So
negative,
you just add 18 with 22, right? Are you sure the result is
okay,
30?
no, no.
Huh? Why? Why
Hah?
it's suddenly positive?
Iya kan? Ya,
Yes, 18. 18 plus 22. What is 8 plus 2 is
oh,
10.
oh,
Okay. Okay, if you think you difficult to think in your mind, you just write in the paper, yeah?
iya,
Okay. Okay, Aiman, the next. How about this? Hello.
yes.
What do you do? What are you doing? Okay.
This equals to plus.
Okay. Yeah, export. Okay. What is about this? Okay. It's good. Good job. The next, it's really, really easy peasy for you, I think. Hmm? Are you sure? Minus 9. Okay, please focus for what the result
Oh,
again. I think you need to drink some water first. Do you want to drink first?
yes, yes.
Okay, okay, just drink. What the course that you did last time?
Um, trial course, and yes.
Huh?
The which course? Trial? The trial, right?
Trial? What is that? Oh, from Algonova.
Yeah.
About coding? Is that coding or the design?
No, I did a trial for the math one.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Eh, how about this? Okay, minus 11. Then, okay, good job. Okay, how about this?
Bentar, Mas.
Okay. Aiman, where is your school?
Um, Pondok Cabe SHB.
Hmm. Okay. I think there is something wrong. So you need to check it first. Where is the wrong? Where is the wrong? Check again.
Uh,
Okay, so the result is
it's not this. Uh,
yeah. How about the result? Okay. Just 13? Yeah. Okay. Good job. And then, nah, this is about how about this? You just you just solve here. How will you do about this? A submarine is at minus 250 meters. Why minus 2075? Why? Can you tell me? Can you tell me?
because kalau ini when it raises it is at negative and then when it raises it is plus.
Yeah.
So 200 to negative 250 plus 75 jadinya 175 and then it dives 120 meters. Oh,
Oh, just right here. So you just write minus 20 and blah 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 plus or minus 75 or plus or minus 120 like that. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Good job. How about this? You write the yeah, and then okay. Are you sure the result is that so? Can you read loudly about the question?
a scuba diver is swimming at 8 meters below sea level. A
Okay.
colorful bird
8 meters below sea level. Okay, and then?
A colorful bird is flying at 12 meters above sea level, directly above the. Okay.
Okay, so huh? What is that? Okay. Are you sure the result is 4? How if I how if I write like this? If I have the C here and then this is the line number, yeah. And then the diver is here, -8. This is the diver. And then the colorful bird is flying at 12 meters above sea level. Blah, 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 until 12 meters.
Okay, okay, no, no. It's not 4. Eh,
No, no, no. Not. Apa the bird is flying 12 meter, but from the sea level from here. Nah, the sea level is 0 because
yes, was 20, right?
yeah. So you just okay, good job. So you can write here like this. 12 minus if if the question about distance, so you just you just minus the final distance and the first distance. So you just write 12 minus, how about the diver? -8. So you get 12 plus 8 like that. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, about this. Iman has $15 in his digital wallet. He wants to buy a game skin that costs $25. The app allows his balance to go into the red. Okay, okay, good job. And then how about the next? Yeah, why? Wait. I think I have to stop share first.
Okay.
Wait, yeah. Uh, I think Aiman,
Yeah.
are you tired?
No, not yet.
Because after doing a lesson and then you have to do the next lesson in the math and then it have been night now.
Nggak terlalu sih.
Not really.
At least tomorrow, I have a full day without and no itu les.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
but tomorrow you have school.
No, my school libur.
Oh, why? Why you?
Because because my school made the labor and aku happy-happy aja.
Oh, you have because because what is that? Idul Fitri or what?
Yeah, I think the school made a labor for Idul Fitri only.
I see. I want to ask what the last lesson in math. What's your last lesson? It
I
what
am for tunggu, let me check the material.
okay.
I'm learning about units of area and the area of triangle.
Oh, I see.
But for OSN, now I'm learning about
Circle?
sword.
Huh?
Let me send in chat.
Okay. Yeah. I think. Okay. Okay. Okay, Aiman. Let's. Okay. Okay, about this. we we okay. So, last time, what is the result? Is minus 10, yeah? Minus 10. Okay, so
Yes.
what is the next result?
Next is
If he
20.
okay,
The
good. Okay, how about this? A large shopping mall has a parking garage below ground. Why the result is minus 1? Can you show me how to find that?
because basement level is underground, so it is -3. And then when he goes up 7, um, he becomes on level 4. And he go down 5 floors, and then he's on -1 or the one basement level.
Hmm, okay. Okay. And then how about this? I think you have expert about this. So the next we can continue to our material about OSN.
Okay.
Okay, 42?
Yes.
42 what? 42 derajat.
Ah,
Okay, good job, Aiman. Next, how about this? Okay, are you sure the result is 65? Can
oh
you
no, itu
again?
that's 55.
Okay, are you sure the result is 55? Can you check it again?
Uh, good.
Where is the... Yeah, I have I think you have to be more careful about this day.
Yeah.
To solve the math. I think you can solve the math. I think you can solve the math, but you have to more to be careful again. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what is the result? The x is
Uh, the x is -25.
okay. Good job, Aiman. And then how about this?
Oh no.
Okay. Okay, perfect. And then how about this? Plus, eh, eh, you can see my screen here.
Yeah.
Wait. Why? Wait. Okay. It's really, really easy peasy.
Ah, okay.
Okay, good. And then I think that minus 6.
Oh, -6.
No. I think your point is in the minus 6,
Oh
not
yeah.
5. Okay, Aiman, good job. So, so our next lesson is about OSN, and I think you have expert about this, about the negative numbers. Wait. Anyway, Aiman, can you open the IMS website, your math, and then you can share screen to me.
Or can you send the link, please? Ah, aku lupa link. I forgot the link.
Wait. Can you? But I think you can see here. Wait, you can
Yes.
see. Wait. Mm, just, just try. Aiman, can you? Do you have the password?
Um, I forgot the password
You forget the password. Wait.
and also the username.
Ah, yeah. No. I think. I mean, wait. This is the password, and this is the username. Can you open that, or you open this?
Oh, itu Lina itu it says username doesn't exist.
Username doesn't exist. Wait. Can you open this? This link. But in your oh, there is no. I'm sorry. Ah, the username is this. Nah, and then the password is just this password. Blast is the
Okay.
password. Can you share screen, Aiman?
Di sini says masih ini
Apa?
user doesn't exist.
Hah? Why? Wait. Aduh. But in your you can use that, but that username.
Uh, the user does not exist itu nggak ada.
Ah, wait.
Oh, in login as a student.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Nah,
Okay, so you can do the task, the first
number
task.
one.
Yeah, number one. It's just a simple task about our lesson today. You not really like but today?
No, it's good.
Okay. What is the difficult thing about our matter? Yeah. Okay, thank you, Aiman. So our lesson today have done, and then don't forget to remember about the multiplication 1 to 10, yeah?
Yeah,
Okay, and then if you have more time, because your school is, you have a vacation holiday, right? In school.
yeah,
Yeah, because you don't have a school, you can also remember about the square root.
okay,
1 until 10 first is no problem.
yeah,
Or if you have more time, you remember until 12, yeah. And 12.
yeah,
20.
okay.
Okay, Aiman, thank you for joining our lesson today. Let's close our lesson by hamdalah and kafaratul majelis. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Oke, bye-bye Aiman.
Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day to you too.